How to get your printer online. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for control panel. In control panel, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Below hardware and sound, you'll find view devices and printer. In here, click on your printer. Right click on it and you'll find see what's printing. In here, click on printer and make sure use printer offline has no tick mark on it. This version is not available on my device, but it can easily be on your device. And that's how you get your printer online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.